Steamer basket. Stainless steel vegetable steamer basket. Folding steamer insert for veggie, fish, seafood cooking. Expandable to fit various size pot. 5.1. Healthier cooking choices. The steamer basket with high-quality stainless steel petals, food-grade plastic handle and silicone feet will guarantee your health. Steaming is a healthy cooking choice because it helps retain more than 90% of the nutrients lost when either boiling or microwaving food. The foldable steamer basket can be used to steam veggies, seafood, eggs, meats, desserts, baby food and much more. Expandable and collapsible. Vegetable steamer basket collapse diameter is 5.1 inches. It expands to 9 inches once petals are stretched out. The wings that fold in and out allow the steamer fit various pot pan sizes or pressure cooker, turning any pan into a steamer. Opens like a water lily, and it folds compactly to save storage space unlike bulky bamboo steamers. Foldable legs and removable center post. 3 foldable legs with silicone will not scratch your pot. They are 1.2 inch in length to keep food above boiling water so that it doesn't burn. 2.9 central post helps easy insertion to the deep pots and safe removal from the boiling water, and it is removable to steam large items like corn on the cob. When your food is ready, remove it from the boiling water with a fork so you won't burn your fingers. Multiple functions. Not only can it be used as a food steamer basket, but also can be used as a strainer or fruit container. You can also use it to filter extra water when making salad. From busy moms to college students to culinary artists, this product is definitely a must-have for anyone who wants to get more health into their diet. It comes in a perfect sized box, makes it an awesome gift for your family and friends. Money back guarantee. We pride ourselves in having the best steamer insert. As such, your satisfaction is. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.